Today we'll talk about how can you find your shots on your Getcontact app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find all shots you have. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on shots down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this is it's going to show for you like this here. So then here you will find all shots you have. And here I have no shots, but just click here in this sign here. So if you want to active here, you have no active shots. If you so just can you select any contacts here you want to send a message, just click on it for example here, and here can you add your message, then it's going to send with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like